Oh my God. I don't know those kind of contact lens I go buy. People they buy, let me say me still buy. I beg. See my eye since yesterday now my buy contact lens when it take come. When I take wear am. All my eye they inch me. It they red. It they inch me. Eye contact I not feel remove am. People they wear eye contact. Now I say me still wear. Me now I don't know why my eye can be different. I go use my eye to buy problem.
The way person no go see for this social media, my people know. One guy go use the hand take buy wetin go blind e eye, my people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about one guy. This guy as I dey talk to now, so if care is not taken, this guy go blind. This guy go buy eye contact. So now not that thing wey they put for inside eye. That eye contact now. Later you still remove them again. This guy can't go buy, my people. As he buy and finish, he can't put them for his eye. So that thing, una know say me, I dey see that thing, but fear not they let me put that thing for eye. Because they look that thing like say that kind of if that kind of thing blind person. That make me not they try them. Not be everything you see say people they do, now you go do. Why I they do this video be say? Not be everything you see say people they feast for eye, now you go see go put. As I did, and I only eyelashes. And that eyelashes now when I they go outing, now I they put them, but not they carry put eyelashes, my people, because I know say so many things feel spoil your eye. You understand? And the one way me they put now those one will be say that they don't do already. This guy go carry eye contact to go put for inside eye. On another that eye contact, he gets another thing where they follow if you want to remove them. And that thing you see to remove them. This guy go put a finish now and he not feel remove them again. Now he cry come out now for social media and say I beg, make people help him more. May una help you. He not feel want die. I beg go. He say no, he no know I want to remove the thing again. As I they talk to now, so this guy eye they red like who smoky bow. The eye they red in the beg now say make him not go payment before it time. Anybody will know I go take do am make the help him. Say he as he they talk to us, so not being there again. Me call the one that be say, why you go put wetin one make you for eye? Why you go put am? My people, this one not be juju be this. How you go carry wetin one make you go carry and go put for inside your eye? Una not dey fear. How you go just open eye koro go carry wetin one make you go put for inside eye? My people, no. Not be juju be that. Not be juju be that. As I dey talk to now, so this guy they beg the whole world. Make the help am. He don't know why he want to remove him for his eye again. I see they talk to us, so his eye feel blind at any time. Now wow. Not the way Musa no go see forget. Not the way person no go see for this social media, my people. If I told I say this thing not shocktalize me, I dey lie to myself. The thing shocktalize me like seriously. How you go carry wetin one make you go put for your eye? As I dey talk to now, so this guy, if he even me before his time now. Now wow. I don't go do this video made too long because I don't feel shy for this kind of person at all. Mona dey careful, my people. Okay, my dad.
Oh my God. I don't know those kind of contact lens I go buy. People they buy, let me say me still buy. I beg. See my eye since yesterday now my buy contact lens when it take come. When I take wear am. All my eye they inch me. It they inch me. Eye contact I not feel remove am. People they wear eye contact. Now I say me still wear. Me now I don't know why my eye can be different. I go use my eye to buy problem. The first time I want to say me I still wear eye contact, all my eye they bleed. It they red like blood. I beg mona help me. I want to remove am. I beg.
Biawu now. Call him. What am I eating? Men at work. Biawu now. Call. Why when you have my phone here? My phone you win for button. Get me now. We are not sick. We are webu. I think my phone line, man. I call it. Sister, man, it's time ya so what? Ya didn't about when the man. My brother, ya so what, man? You have your go. You know what they are going to have you know what make us one. No, we are just security one us. Why have you ever bed week bar? On the chef do chef wa do why do who we winner? Well, the who because when I buy amigo Facebook could you wa ma we say me bina yuma traffic bina yi central ayi man winner man amigo Facebook or was I form one or was there man you we meta mudia o demeta no wa oge no ayi was my so winner no na we may be where Bobby me my darling you may Bobby me webo you Bobby me savoir the Facebook mon ami here so allow my we go chop what's it so I patronize him ma kwado adukun wani call se wa adukun emio ya call wa biare ma we say o cause my easy ago de ye ke na de ko anwina we gbegbe awo na anwina webo wani nwina wa agwali nwina ya fe wa agwali nwina ba ya mo no Facebook the Facebook ya do ye na wa ya ki wa shawo wigbe agia why you Facebook can wigbe agia away man take basha wo ye pufu wa me Facebook na wa me na do wa me ya do aki wa yo we ebo no pa che bo no iwu wa ya ri ngina de ma gbesin o kan me ga ni ya pa yin wa ikonke tv ne iwe bready iwe ya fe mo salad yo mo ya fe di asemasin ma zo bo won wa we wa ta lo aye Facebook kin ogonupo ase na ko bi gbenu wa e ma wa gba we saga no wa we saga ka aji ngina re ne no aga do ami ga che bo no wa ka ngina re ne ai ngina e ta wa si ne wa do o ma ko che bo no we la ya lo ye do ye tin e ma wo gbata lo ya gwali ngina Facebook gbai erente jaka wa ma wa bia we webu wa ga bia webu na wa erente jaka